नमस्कार बच्चों, वेलकम टू द स्टेट काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च एंड ट्रेनिंग बिहार पटना. Yes, this is your English class for class 8. And class 8 must be the class full of wonders. Wonders मतलब आश्चर्य और आश्चर्य. Surprises and surprises all around us. चारों तरफ बिखरे पड़े हैं surprises. You must be wondering, what kind of surprise? I know, this is my book, this is my table, this is my chair, this is my pen, this is my mother, this is my father. So what surprises? What kind of surprises? No, there are still many surprises which we often do not wonder, जिनके बारे में हम सोचते ही नहीं हैं. कभी सोचा है? Have you ever thought why exactly the color of the tree leaves is green? क्यों हरा है? Yes, you are in class 8. You have studied science enough. इतना तो science पढ़ा है that you know in the leaves there is a pigment that you call chlorophyll, and that chlorophyll is the reason why the color of the leaf is green. इस क्लोरोफिल का रंग हरा होता है, इसलिए पत्तियों का रंग हरा होता है. That's why chlorophyll is the reason, एक कारण है why the leaves are green. Yes, but have you exactly wondered why exactly this chlorophyll is green in color? ये green ही क्यों है? Couldn't chlorophyll be of blue or red in color? Chlorophyll blue और red भी तो हो सकता था. And yes, you are not wrong. There are different varieties of other pigments. That's why there are different colored leaves. अलग अलग रंग की पत्तियां भी होती हैं because they have different pigments. उनके pigments अलग होते हैं. And these pigments are not exactly of green color. They may be red, they may be yellow also. Right. So have you seen red leaves? Have you seen yellow leaves? Yes, you have seen. But again, there is still a surprise. There is still something to wonder. ये भी तो सोचने वाली बात ही है ना. आखिर कलर ऐसे ही क्यों होते हैं? Why exactly do we see sky and we feel the blue color? Why exactly when we look at a bird, when we look at sparrow, it comes to us in brown and shady patches of black and brown? है ना? Shady patches, कहीं black, कहीं brown. And the moment we see a peacock, we find majestic blue color. बहुत majestic blue color and wonderful colors of the feathers. मिलते तो हैं. And as science students, we have our own reason. We can describe the colors, the feel, the texture according to the various nature of the elements. The color which is reflected, जो color reflect होता है, that color we can see. You can see that my color dress is blue. That's because my dress is reflecting the blue color. Blue color reflect कर रहा है. But again, I want you to wonder. एक बार और फिर सोच के देखो. Isn't it a surprise? क्या ये surprise नहीं है? Why exactly? मोर ऐसा ही क्यों है और गौरैया ऐसी ही क्यों है? Why lotus is just like lotus and गेंदे का flower, the marigold flower, is just like marigold. Can we convert marigold into lotus? Why not? Why it is so surprising? कितना आश्चर्य होता है कि बिल्कुल दुनिया जैसी है वैसी ही क्यों है? Have you ever thought about it? So this is your first lesson and the first poem. That means the beginning of class 8 must begin with wonderful questions from your mind. That means this class must begin with wonderful questions. As many questions as you may ask. जो तुम जितने पूछ सकते हो, जितने सोच सकते हो. Why the thing is just like the way it is. जैसे ये है वैसा ही क्यों है? Why it is like this? Why it is like that? And does anyone exactly have a reason? क्या कोई कारण बता सकता है? Yes, just like we have seen, we may have several scientific explanations. हमारे पास बहुत सारे reason हैं. Science has given us many reasons. Still, we can keep on wondering, फिर भी हम सोच सकते हैं, why exactly chlorophyll reflects the green color? Why exactly chlorophyll cannot come in any other color? Why exactly the leaf, the trunk and flowers have different color as they are? उनके अलग अलग कलर्स इस तरीके से ही क्यों हैं? Lily is different from dahlia, lotus is different from rose. Why they are just like that? ऐसा क्यों है? And if you could find the answer, well done from me. And any case, if you cannot find the answer, never stop questioning. Question पूछना बंद मत करना, सोचना बंद नहीं करना है. We just have to keep on questioning. We just have to keep on asking ourselves. We just have to keep on wondering. This world is full of curiosity. ये पूरी दुनिया किससे भरी है? Curiosity. C-U-R-I-O-S-I-T-Y. City में city से confuse नहीं करना है. What do you understand when I say the word city? C-I-T-Y. City. City means शहर. But the very moment I say curiosity, so curiosity means C-U-R-O-S-I-T-Y. C-U-R-O-S-I-T-Y. Curiosity, उत्सुकता. So never hold your curiosity. कभी अपनी curiosity, अपनी उत्सुकता को रोकना नहीं. Many times you may get answers. Many times you may not get answers. For example, even though you ask me, अगर तुम मुझसे भी पूछो कि मैम why this marigold is गेंदे का रंग पीला ही क्यों है? I am sorry children, I cannot answer. मुझे इसका जवाब नहीं पता. I definitely cannot answer. I can give you some reason because this flower has this kind of pigment, that's why the color is yellow. But then again you will ask me the question. तब फिर तुम खुद पूछोगे कि अगर इस पिगमेंट का रंग कुछ और भी तो हो सकता था. Why it is not like that? I am sorry children, I cannot definitely give you the reasons of the wonderful nature what we have with us. But nevertheless, I enjoy myself asking such questions. मुझे मज़ा आता है ऐसे questions को सोचकर, ऐसे questions पर पूछकर. So, I just hope the first poem, the beginning of the class, must begin with the beginning of wonders, with the beginning of curiosity, with the beginning of questions, wonderful questions which we often ignore, जिसको हम अक्सर नज़रअंदाज कर देते हैं, which we often keep ignoring. But this time our textbook doesn't want us any question to be ignored. Rather, it wants us, हमारी book हमसे चाहती है, our book wants us that we should keep on asking questions and we should always be curious. हमें क्या होना है? Curious. Never hold back your curiosity. So, let's begin the poem. And before I exactly begin the poem, let me show you a wonderful glimpse of the nature. Glimpse यानी एक झलक. Can you have this glimpse of the nature with this picture? Yes, ऐसा ही लगता है ना, जिस प्रकृति की हम बात कर रहे हैं, the nature which we are talking about, just simply some grasses, some bushes, some herbs, some shrubs, some trees, beautiful sky, green in all shades, dark green, light green, parrot green, emerald green, कितने सारे green के shades हैं, है ना? एक तरह का green भी नहीं है. So this is just the glimpse of nature which we often need to wonder. किसने बनाया? कहते हैं ना, एक बहुत पुराना गाना था which my mother used to sing to me and I often remember just 2 lines of those. हरी हरी वसुंधरा पर नीला नीला ये गगन, ये किस कवि की कल्पना का चमत्कार है, ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार है? किसने बनाया इतनी सुंदर धरती? Who is the painter of this beautiful world? The blue sky on the green land and such a beautiful picture. Who is exactly the poet of such beauty? इतनी सुंदरता का आखिर वो कवि है कौन? Who is exactly the poet? Who is exactly the painter who has painted our world so beautiful? इतना सुंदर सजाया है हमारी दुनिया को. So yes, this we should keep asking ourselves because that's the beauty of a curious mind. एक उत्सुक, एक जिज्ञासु मन हमेशा सवाल पूछता है, whether he gets the answer or not. Now let me take you to another wonder of the nature. Can you see the other picture? Just see. Yes, just have a look. बिल्कुल मुंह से निकलता है ना, wow, right. Yes, that's why, because no matter what, many times we wonder ourselves. हम अपने ऊपर आश्चर्य करते हैं. We are so mighty that we have constructed Taj Mahal, we have constructed 150-story buildings, and we used to learn the art of construction. We used to learn, हम इस construction के art को सीखते हैं. But who is exactly the teacher of these birds? किसने सिखाया इन चिड़ियों को? To construct, to build such beautiful houses. Yes, such beautiful, pretty, cozy nests. So, we often just wonder, have you ever asked yourself, कभी पूछा है? If you haven't asked yourself, that's why let's begin the poem with just these beautiful lines. Now I hope I do not even have to explain this poem. अब तो मुझे ये poem बतानी ही नहीं पड़ेगी, है ना? You can yourself read the poem and simply ask it. Don't think that I have colored these eggs, right? बिल्कुल नहीं. चिड़ियों के इस अंडे को I haven't colored. I am not the painter. It is just that we need to ask who is exactly the painter of such a beautiful scene. The green leaves, the beautiful nest and beautiful blue eggs. Who is the painter? बिल्कुल वैसे ही कि मन में सवाल उठता है, who is exactly the painter and the poet of our beautiful world? So that's why there is a child, एक ऐसा बच्चा है, और there is a person who has presented these questions for us, जिन्होंने हमारे लिए इन सवालों को रखा है. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. And who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Who taught them? I wonder, मैं सोचता हूँ, why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. आखिर हवा दिखती क्यों नहीं है? Why can't we see the wind? Why? Who thought about it that wind should not be seen? पानी दिखता है, ज़मीन दिखती है, we can see the water, we can see the earth, we can see the fire, we can see so many things around us, but not the wind. We cannot see the wind around us, right? So who designed it? Who made it like that? किसने ऐसा उसको बनाया? I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees जो आराम में रहते हैं उनको रेस्ट लेना सिखाया? कहते हैं ना, अजगर करे न चाकरी. The huge python, it never moves even for its food. It continues with the rest. वो बिल्कुल आराम से पड़ा रहता है. The moment he feels hungry, he starts breathing too much. एकदम जोर जोर से सांस लेता है. And every living being, small or big, starts getting captivated by it. और छोटा या बड़ा जो भी जानवर उसके चपेट में आता है, he satisfies himself with that. So who told all these habits to the nature, to different elements? So that's the poem, that's the beauty of this poem that we need to realize. I wonder why the grass is green and the wind is never seen. Who taught these birds to build the nest and who taught the trees to take the rest? Have you ever wondered about the bear? He works, he eats, he walks, he does everything for half of the year, and rest of the time he just goes on sleeping and sleeping until there is the summer break. बिल्कुल ठंड के दिनों में वो जाके सो जाता है till there is the summer break. So who taught all these habits? Who is the wonderful artist, the painter, the poet, the creator who has given us this world with so many beautiful questions? So I hope you have started wondering and having your own questions about the things which you see around. Can you see that? So now let's come to the next questions. What more is there? And now, not just the greenery, सिर्फ हरियाली नहीं. Can you see so many wonders? Children, we cannot show you as many wonders as they are in the nature. Pictures limited हो सकते हैं. I can give you 1 or 2 examples of the picture, but you need to be aware yourself. Just look at the beautiful sky, and we could see the half moon. And yes, you are in class 8 and you have studied in your geography lesson that moon is never half, it is always full. लेकिन जैसे जैसे the light of sun falls on it and the moon keeps on rotating, accordingly many times we see the full moon, the half moon and the various phases of the moon. अलग अलग moon हम देखते हैं. But again I wonder, मैं फिर सोच रही हूँ कि who exactly designed moon and designed the system like this? किसने ऐसा system design किया? That sometime the moon will look as a full moon and other times it will keep on decreasing. चंदा मामा कभी मोटे नजर आएंगे, कभी पतले हो जाएंगे. Who exactly designed it? So yes, we have reasons. But again, we do not know exactly why these reasons are just the way they are. आखिर ऐसा ही क्यों है? So that's the beautiful question. We know when the sunlight strikes the drop of water, जैसे ही सूरज की किरण पानी की बूंद पर पड़ती है, we know that sunlight gets scattered, gets dispersed into 7 different shades of a beautiful rainbow. बिल्कुल सफ़ेद रंग एक प्रिज्म से गुजरे या फिर पानी की बूंद से गुजरे, it always gets divided into 7 beautiful shades of rainbow. But again, can we answer कि ऐसा ही क्यों होता है? Why exactly this happens? And why the color of rainbow is exactly in the order of Vibgyor, violet to red or red to violet? Why not in other order? Why not in other shades? ऐसा ही क्यों होता है? So yes, the nature is full of wonders, children. No matter how much we could know about the reasons of all the scientific facts about the nature, it never stops to amaze us. It never ceases. C-E-A-S-E-S, ceases to surprise us. ये आज भी रहस्य से भरी हुई है. It is full of secrets. It is full of mystery, and that mystery is a wonderful question. So that's why you can see the poem is in front of you, and simply the poet asks, oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? अगर मून पूरी तरह से जब गोल नहीं होता है, तो उसका खोया हुआ हिस्सा आखिर कहाँ मिलता है? Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? कहाँ मिलेगा? Who lights the stars when they blow out? Who lights the stars? आखिर तारों को कौन चमकाता है? When they blow out, जब कभी वो नजर नहीं आते हैं या वो बुझ जाते हैं. Yes, you will come to read in your classes of science that stars also have their own life. They grow, they get bigger, and at one time they also collapse. Many times they get scattered around with a big blast, and many times they also get converted into a big black hole. So, scientific facts about the stars are there, yet the curious mind, the wonderful mind, always asks questions कि who exactly does all this? Who exactly has developed all this system? उसने किसने ऐसा बनाया है? So, who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lightning flash about? और जब कभी बिजली चमके या आसमान साफ हो. The sky is clear, it is full of clouds. When there are white clouds, fluffy clouds, dark clouds, thundering clouds, or the sky is full of lightning. जो कुछ भी होता है, जैसे भी होता है, as the way it happens. Who paints the rainbow in the sky and Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hang the fluffy clouds so high? Who exactly hangs up? आखिर किसने सजा दिया? We were talking about ना, ये कौन चित्रकार है? ये किस कवि की कल्पना है? Who exactly imagined our world to just be like this? And who exactly has painted our world with so many beautiful yet mysterious colors? रहस्यमयी रंगों से सजा रखा है. So who is the person who has painted our world just like this? Why is it now, do you suppose, that Dad won't tell me if he knows? So yes, this is what you need to feel with this poem, and this is the special note for you to begin the English class for this year. Always wonder why, always wonder how, kyun, kaise, how, who did it? After all, who is the source of inspiration behind all such designs? इतना सुंदर जो डिज़ाइन बना हुआ है, who has inspired, who has imagined, किसने कल्पना की, who exactly inspired us? So this is the beautiful world. I wonder, I definitely wonder. And as I told you that the poet says, I wonder, that's why my dad couldn't tell me what's the reason, what's the answer. My dad couldn't tell me. मेरे पापा मुझे नहीं बता पाए. Yes, just the same way, even though you ask me as a teacher, मुझे भी बताने के लिए कहोगे, I am not so wise that I can tell you all the reasons behind it. But is that the reason you should stop thinking? No. Just look around and the world is full of secrets, world is full of beauty, world is full of mysteries. अच्छी भी, बुरी भी. कुछ अच्छे भी रहस्य हैं, कुछ बुरे भी रहस्य हैं. But we should always keep asking ourselves the questions. I wonder why? I wonder how? So what will we do from next time? You just need to keep a diary and keep on writing all the questions. And it would be wonderful if you write all those questions in English. Simply, बहुत simple. I wonder why the grass is green. I wonder why the sky is blue. I wonder why the rain is cold. I wonder why the snow is white. I wonder why the earth is brown. I wonder why the soil is rough. Soil is rough? Yes, many times when it gets dried up, जब ये सूख जाती है तो ये rough हो जाती है. I wonder why the stone is grey. I wonder why the stone is hard. I wonder why the flowers are soft. I wonder why the flowers have fragrance. The flowers have scent. कहते हैं ना, scent लगाया, इत्र लगाया, perfume लगाया. SCENT, scent, PERFUME, perfume, or you have another word, fragrance, FRAGRANCE, FRAG, frig, RANCE, FRAGRANCE, FRAGRANCE, perfume, PERFUME. So I wonder why flowers have scent. I wonder why flowers have perfume. I wonder why flowers have fragrance. So children, keep on wondering and let's enjoy this poem once more. So yes, such a beautiful poem which has filled our hearts, जिसने हमारे दिलों को किससे भर दिया, which has filled our hearts with so much of wonder, कितनी wonderful imagination से भर दिया है. So let's read this poem once again and just keep enjoying it in full rhyme, because there is rhyme. You can see green, seen, nest, rest, round, found, out, about, sky, high, suppose, nose. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose nahi, K-N-O-W-S, nose. Can you see these words? Yes, these words are coming exactly at the end of the line. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lightning flash about? Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hang the fluffy clouds so high? Why is it now, do you suppose, that Dad won't tell me if he knows? Yes, ये थोड़ा जल्दी हो गया, but I hope if you start reading this poem with just the pair of 2 lines in this stanza. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. I even think you can sing these lines. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Enjoy. Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Who light the stars when they blow out and makes the lightning flash about? Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hang the fluffy clouds so high? Why is it now, do you suppose, that Dad won't tell me if he knows? Bilkul. Keep on reading, keep on enjoying, and keep on enjoying the wonderful mystery of the nature. And do not miss, there is one more word, anonymous. Anonymous means bilkul. We do not know who is exactly the poet of this poem. आखिर इस कविता का कवि है कौन? We do not know. Just like we do not know who is the creator of poetry on this earth. इस धरती पर जिसने इतनी सुंदर कविता सजाई, उसके पोएट के बारे में हमें पता नहीं. Just like the same way, the words which we have today, this beautiful poem, we do not know exactly who the poet is. And if we do not know the name of the poet, just after the poem, we simply write anonymous. Anonymous. A-N-O, ano, N-Y, ni, mus, M-O-U-S, mus. This is an anonymous poem. That means somebody must have wondered, just kept on wondering, and filled with surprise, he has given us such beautiful experience about the wonderful mysteries hidden in our life, which we often ignore. So are you going to ignore it? No, I don't think so, because now you are just grown up. Go on. I just want to see who can fill their diary with most of the questions. This will be the best exercise. And you know how to make questions? I wonder how. I wonder why. How means कैसे, why means क्यों. आखिर ऐसा क्यों है? I wonder why the earth is so beautiful. I wonder how the earth is so beautiful. Right? So, I want to see how many questions you have prepared in your diary about how many things, and this will be the competition. Let me see who can frame as many questions and who is going to be the winner of this competition. So are you going to take this exercise? I hope so. चलते जाना है, सोचना है, हर चीज़ को देखकर एक बार तो ज़रूर सोचना है कि why this thing is just like this, why it is happening, how it is happening, कैसे हो रहा है. So I hope this will be the good beginning, the best beginning for a curious mind, for a wonderful mind which you already have. तुम्हारे पास खुद पहले से इतने सारे experience हैं that you just need to think and just keep on writing and thinking about the wonderful questions which till now you haven't asked. And remember, you do not have to bother for the answers. Maybe possible your daddy, your papa, your babuji cannot tell you. Your ma cannot tell you. Your grandfather, dadaji cannot tell you. Even teachers cannot tell you. But you always have to keep on asking these wonderful questions just within yourself. Within yourself means खुद से, अपने अंदर सवाल बनने चाहिए. We should always keep on asking. We should never kill our voice of questioning. सवालों का सिलसिला चलता रहे. Let us keep on with the good tradition of asking and wondering about the life, the beauty, the mystery around us. I hope you enjoyed this poem, and that's the beauty of poem, and that's the note where I am leaving you now, that the note is I wonder, and I will keep on wondering. Thank you for this thing.